Alright, should be recording. Okay, so I just opened up in Cura because it's an STL file, and as you can see, it brought our person for scale with it. So the first thing you want to do after you zoom in on the origin in SketchUp is delete that person. Okay, they don't need to be there. They're there just to show you what the realm of scale is. And you can always check that with the measure command. The next thing is when you drew your picture, you drew it in meters or inches or something, but you didn't use millimeters. You have to use the millimeter template because the only thing that comes from a SketchUp file to an STL file is a number. Okay, and when you go import STL files into a printer, that number is going to be millimeters, whether it was meters or whether it was inches. Those numbers are going to be taken into a printer software as millimeters. So you can see that your device is not very, or whatever you drew is not very big here. Looks pretty tiny. That would be the rounds of printing this would do. So what we're going to do is there's some things we can do. I can try and scale this up. Okay. So I'm going to scale it 1,000%. And see what you try to do here. Unable to slice. Yeah, it can't slice now because this person is standing so big. They're so tall they cannot be constructed on this printer. So, yeah, this would be kind of a dud for us. Hopefully you are getting rid of that by the time that you are doing your other thing. I wonder what solid view, what we're looking at here. Is this just a cube? It looks like it's just some sort of cube with chamfered corners. Okay, I don't know if that's what it was supposed to be or not, but that's what this looks like.